Hello dear students of class 7. Today we will continue with exponents in part. Uses of exponents, that is how to write the scientific notation or the standard form. And why is this needed? You might be thinking. It is important because when we write the numbers, very large numbers, very big numbers, mostly in scientific calculation, we write it in the standard form so that it becomes easy to represent the number and also to understand how much big the number is. So generally you will see in physics, chemistry, maths, and for scientific purposes, the scientific notation is very important. So let us understand how to write scientific notation of large numbers. So let us begin. Now, scientific notation is a way of writing the large numbers to accommodate very large numbers to be easily written in a standard form. Now, when we are writing it, all numbers are written in the form of k into 10 to the power n, where k is a decimal number such that it lies between 1 and less than 10, and n is a whole number, and this k is also called the significant. For example, if I write a number 4.2 into 10 to the power 4, can you say what is k here? K is this part, 4.2, and n here is that value of 10 to the power, that is 4. In this example, 5.67 into 10 to the power 5, the k value is 5.67 into 10 to the power 5. Can you think of some more examples? Now, after understanding how to represent the number, let us see actually how to do it. Now, when you are given a number like these and asked to convert from decimal notation to scientific or the standard form, what are you going to do? So let us see what we do. Now this is a number 86700 or 86,700. So you have to move to the left. We have to move to the left till one digit is left to the left of the decimal. Means I will move from this 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to move 4 times till I reach for just one number after the point. So the number will look like 8.67. I will not write the zeros after the number. Into. Now how many times did I move? Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I'm going to represent it as 10 to the power 4 because I moved 4 times to the left of the given number. So can you understand? Try this. Now let us see how many numbers are there starting from this 0 which is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1.567811. Now you have to write these many numbers because they are part of this given question. You will not write the zeros. Into 10 to the power 10 because we moved 10 times forward to reach this number. Similarly, for your better understanding, let us try this question. So we have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 6.36 into 10 to the power 5 meters. And then this is a very large number, so be careful when you are counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5.781107 into 10 to the power 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 to the power 13, where 13 is the value of n and 5.781107 is the value of k, the significant of the given number. So this is a standard form, this is a normal form of the number. Also the standard form is called the scientific notation. Now what are you going to do if the standard form is given and it is asking you to write the number in the normal form? So to get that answer, you need to do the opposite. Now already the point is here, this is in the standard form, and the point, after point, how many numbers are there? You see 1, 2, 3 numbers. We have to move 6 numbers back. So already 3 numbers I am moving back. The point has come here, but I need 3 more numbers. So I will put 3 more zeros. So the number is going to become 12,34,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 000. Let us try this. So you already know that the number is having decimal number. So point is there. After that 2 numbers are written and we have to move 4 steps back. Now we are going to the right side, if you can see. So 5, 3, 7, 2 numbers already gone and 2 more zeros. So 1 and 2. So that takes the point from this position to the last position, and we are adding 2 more zeros. So that is because 10 to the power 4 is given here. If I give you one more example, I think you will understand it better. Suppose I have a question like this. 5.7. Suppose you have a question like 7.501 into 10 to the power 7. So already 3 numbers are there, but we have to move it 7 numbers back. So 501. So this is 3 numbers, then 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many zeros we added? 4 zeros. So that it becomes 10 to the power 7. I'll just show you the reverse. Like suppose I had to make it in the standard form again. I would have moved from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The point would have come here and it would have been 10 to the power 7. So you can just do the reverse of it and check whether you have got the right answer. Sometimes the question may be in the form of a sentence, but you have to do the same thing again. So express the numbers appearing in the following statements in scientific notation. The distance of the earth between the sun and the earth is 149,600 and so many zeros. So it's a very big number. So how do I do it? I have to convert the given number. So I will write 1.496 because these are the important numbers which I have to mention, and 10 to the power how many times? So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 10 to the power 11 meters. So you can write the full sentence again, and in place of this number just write this given number. Are you able to follow me, dear friends? In this question, the universe is estimated to be about this many years old. So again, I'm just showing you the number part. You can completely write the sentence and just change this number, standard number, into the scientific notation. So it will be 1.2. Always the number has to be less than 10 and it can be 1 and above. So 1.2 into 10 to the power n. So what is n here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 to the power 10 years old. So in scientific notation, whenever we work in the scientific platform, a lot of numbers are very big. So it's easy to represent it in this form, because sometimes if we miss a zero, then there may be a problem. So when we write it like this, it becomes more precise and clear. Next, let us understand the comparing of numbers in a standard form. You already know in your lower classes you have compared numbers which are like normal integers, normal rational numbers, the whole numbers. You have been comparing it since a very small age. But how to compare number in standard form? Now these are the standard form given to me. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to check the power of 10. Which power of 10 is greater, you see first. Here 10 to the power 12 and here 10 to the power 5. So obviously 10 to the power 12 means more number of zeros will be added and the number will be larger. So either you can directly compare the number of the power of 10, number 10, and tell which is the number which is equal or greater. So here obviously as 10 power 12 is greater than 10 power 5, therefore 2.75 into 10 to the power 12 is greater than 1.6 into 10 to the power 5. So this is a comparison. This is greater than. And in the second question, if you see, you can see the power is same. 10's power is 12 in both the cases. Then how do you compare it? Then you will compare the significand of these numbers. So you can see that the significance here are 1.439 and 1.4335. Now for normal decimal numbers, if you remember, if suppose we had just these two decimal numbers, you had to make it like decimal. So here there are, after point there is 3 number, and here after 4 there are 4 numbers. So first we will put a 0 here so that both the decimal become like decimal. So once you see these two have become like decimal, then you just forget about the decimal symbol. You see the number 14,390 is bigger or 14,335 is bigger. Obviously 14,390 is bigger. So that means the decimal number 1.439 is larger or greater than 1.4335. Therefore, my answer will be 1.439 into 10 to the power 12 is larger or greater than 1.335 into 10 to the power 12. So, did you understand, students? If you are having the different power of 10, then whichever power is more, that number will be larger. But suppose the power is same, like in this case, you have to compare the significand. If it will be very easy if this was 1.439 and it was 4339. So 4 is obviously larger, then that would have been the larger number. But here the numbers are also very similar. So I told you how to compare it like the decimal numbers. Make it the like decimal, check the number which is greater, and that particular standard form will be greater. Moving to the last part of the use of exponent, writing the numbers in expanded form using the concept of exponent. So this is also again very easy. You have been working with place values and face value numbers. So when a number is given to you, like here I have written a number and it is asking you to write in the expanded exponential form. So it's very easy. What you need to do is write the first number into, how many zeros do we need to get this number here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 with the 5, that is 1 lakh, plus 8 into, just count how many numbers are behind it and write that many zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 0 to whatever number we will write, it will not make any difference because it will become 0 ultimately, plus 1 into 100, plus 6 into 10, plus 7 into 1. Now this number we have to again convert into the exponential format. Now that's very easy. Just see how many zeros and raise the value of 10 to that 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So it is 10 to the power 5, plus 8 into 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 10 to the power 4. Because 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 is going to give us that 10,000. 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 1 into 10 to the power 1. Here it is 3 zeros. So here it is 0 into 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 10 to the power 3. And 1 into 10 to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 to the power 1 plus 7 form. Then how to convert it to the normal number like this number? See the number of zeros to be written. So that how do you know the number of zeros? Just see the number of power of 10. So 8 into 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10. 10 to the power 1 will be 10. 10 to the power 0, then it will be 10 to the power 0 will become 1. Remember that. So this is So solve it and get the value as above. So it will become 8,120,000. I'm very sure now you will be able to solve our exercise questions. And if you have any doubt, do let me know. Which part of the video did you like the most? Do write it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.